Hello everyone and welcome to another WSE manager tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create and use a TV station application. So I've already created here a new TV station, that is my application, and as you can see, this is the start screen of your application and everything you can see and manage from it. So over here you can see you have this space, you have here also the access, the two buttons of control, that is the restart and stop. You can also access the information about who is connected to you, like the state and city and country here. You can also check about the map. Down here you check other information about traffic information. You have the last viewing, the broadcasts. You also have here the application data, that is basic information about your application, like name and the limits you already set up to it. And over here we have two important things, that is the live encoder and the FTP data. So the live encoder is the information you need to set up the encoder to do your broadcasts, and the FTP data is the information you need to put in your FTP client to transfer your files to the application. Down here you have also a shortcut that we have already done, that is for FileZilla. So if you're using FileZilla to transfer files as your FTP client, you already have here a shortcut to do it. So basically that's all information you're gonna see at the start screen of your application if you're using a TV station. So let's move on to the player tab. So here at the player tab you can generate players, you can customize it as anything you want for a player, like height, weight, logo, the link logo, the title, the image. You can also change the aspect ratio, the position. There are 4 positions that you can put. And about the link, well, you're gonna display an image, a logo if you want, like this one I'm putting right here, and you can put a link to redirect who's gonna click on it to a website that best suits for you, like your company homepage or something that is convenient to you. So I'm gonna fill this like layer 1 with standard aspect ratio. I won't put any logo. So when I press here on generate, this is gonna generate the code that I need for displaying this player. So all I need to do is to copy this code and to paste it on my website code. Then it's gonna display it. So that's basically what the player tab does. Here, moving to the on-demand tab. So here on the on-demand tab you have the list of all the files we already uploaded, and basically it's where you manage it, you check if your files are corrupted or not. The panel already tells you if the files are or not corrupted, and every time you upload something you need to click here on the update button. So when you click it, it will check every file you have already uploaded and check if you are uploading more files. So basically that's it. So going to the links. So here in the links we have the code for players for mobile devices, like the older Android and new Android versions, like Apple and BlackBerry devices. So that's it. You only have to copy those codes, paste it on your website, and you'll have it, the player for them. So the playlist. So the playlist is the main feature of the TV station, because at the TV station application you can arrange, you can schedule things. You can schedule a playlist to play it at exactly as in an exactly moment of the day of the month that you're gonna broadcast. So I'm gonna show you right here. I'll click here on today. and I'll put a live stream. So I'm gonna put here live stream 2, and it's gonna start in exactly 3 minutes. Okay, so if I want to check if it's added or not, so here it is, live stream 0.2. So what do I have to do? I have to go to the general, so it's the main page of my application. And I go here to live encoder data. And here you can see, it's my screen. So what I have to do, I have to copy here the string name that it's encoder. It's already put here, encoder. I have to set up the user when I want it to connect. So okay, I'm gonna play it to show it to you. So it's streaming a default file that we use, and when I press here at start button, it will start broadcasting from my encoder. Okay, can you see? That's what it does. And when I press here the stop button, it will stop broadcasting, will stop the live section, and will restart the default file or the last playlist you have already set up. Okay. Okay. So that's basically what a playlist does. So here you can check all your playlists, the date and time, all the setups. You can add playlists, and that's basically it. Okay, so moving to statistics. Well, we have 3 things we can see over here. So we have the calendar, the geolocation, and access history. So the calendar, we can just set up the beginning of the access history point. You know, if I want to choose from day 3 or 4, it's where it's gonna do the search of the access history. So as I created it before, you won't have any access history before that. So the access history here is a graphic. The geolocation here is a list of all the clients that have connected that day or that specific date. So moving to the logs. So the logs the main purpose of the logs are to check everything that is going on with your application, like who is connected to it, and when they connected, when they disconnected, when live section started, when live section has ended. So it's mainly for checkup purpose. And this is the last part of our application, that is the registration, that is all the setup you've done when you're creating the application. So it has all the name, has a bitrate, traffic, all those limits you already set up, and the resources. So if you created a plan if you create this application with a plan, and you've chosen a resource, like a TV station can have 1 resources, that is the recorder. So you can come here, select the resource, and you can configure it. So basically that's it. That's how you manage the TV station application. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and keep following us.